T-Rex. It's the T-Rex. It's the T-Rex. Claire, it's the T-Rex. It's the T-Rex. It's the T-Rex.
Stop! It's not the T-Rex. Probably.
Probably?
Deep breaths, Franklin.
See? Not a T-Rex!
It's a spider! We just fell from the cliff. We're alive. We're alive.
Franklin,
Move. No. No. Claire, we're gonna sink. Water's leaking.
oh God, we need to get out. Franklin, watch out!
I wanna go home.
Owen!
Owen?
Go! Go!
Where's he going?
Okay, don't panic! Don't panic!
We're running out of air. We're not gonna make it.
We are! Take a deep breath. Where's the...
It was a double cross. They took her. She must be with Blue. Hey, can you still track them?
Not anymore.
It was a lie. It was a lie. Bastard! It was all a lie!
Not all of it.
Anything about you I want on that boat! How you doing?
Whoa, kid!
Well, just button it up and we'll tow it on. Let's go! Hey! Hang up! Wait up! Stop that truck! Stop! This way, hang on.
Beautiful. You're gonna feel that when you wake up.
Hey, put your weapon down! You got the barrel pointed right at her head!
They have Zia. They're loading out.
They already had the dinosaurs. Why do they need us?
They needed the tracking system to capture Blue.
There she is. She don't look good. We need to get on that boat.
The rock's good. We're safe on the rock.
Is the boat or the lava, Franklin?
All right, boat's good. I'm all about the boat.